Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 15. Spend time with each child individually.
It is important to realize that each of your children is unique, with individual needs and desires. Most of the time, a father should deal with issues as a family, using the broad brush approach, and the decisions made affect the whole family. However, there are times when each child needs your attention solely and alone. Time spent alone with a loving father can become some of the most enduring memories a child can have. They can also be a wonderful opportunity to impart wisdom and understanding to the child at a deeper and more personal level. One of these times can be at bedtime for the children, as you take a few minutes with each child, tucking them in, telling them stories, praying with them, or merely discussing the day's events with them. Having Dad there when they are about to go to sleep also adds an extra dimension of security to a young child's heart. Some fathers also take their children out individually to sports events or breakfast at McDonald's, etc., just to be able to show the child that they are important as an individual and not just another member of the family. These simple actions can really help to boost a child's self-esteem or self-worth.
Suggested action.
Set aside a little time each day for each of your children individually, and try to take them somewhere special from time to time.
Scripture references.
Proverbs chapter 1 verses 8 to 9. My son, hear the instruction of your father, and do not forsake the law of your mother. For they will be a graceful ornament on your head, and chains about your neck.